My name's Jack Churchman. I'm the owner of Cut Crew Limited. We're a commercial grounds maintenance company and sports turf specialist operating in Milton Keynes. We've been a Pegasus user from the Series 2, so the features and functions we're looking for with the new mower, with the reduced amount of maintenance that's needed, and just like the quality of cut, the support network and the service is second to none. So we've always used Pegasuses, but some of like the first cuts of the season were difficult with a double roller as it lays the grass over. So the single roller offered us more versatility with stuff that we could do with the machine. So yeah, it was just the natural fit for us to move forward to. We use the machine for predominantly sports pitches, but the reason we wanted the single roller was for versatility for any longer areas that needed managing and maintaining. We've still got the quality on a sports ground, but also we can offer our customers a cheaper price for large acreage, wild areas and things like that. So the machine is running next to non-stop, around 110, 115 hours a week. In peak season, it's out every day, weekends included, covering around 100 to 150 acres a day with the machine. The machine's a lot more user-friendly, just where all the maintenance points are. Everything's been thought about, changing height of cut. Compared to the Series 2, it's night and day, the development that's happened. So some of the newer features that I really like, the way that the unlock mechanism works. We've got the manual unlock, we don't have the electric unlock. The way that that works is way better. Setting the heights, as I've mentioned before, is a lot easier to use and manage. Just like the weight and balance of the machine and little touches like the jack points if you manage to get a puncture. Like genuinely, day-to-day using the machine mowing, not a lot's changed, but it's just those finer details that really help us out, saving time day-to-day. Definitely the reduced maintenance, free bearings, etc., saving us a lot of money in grease and time. We find the reliability of the machines fantastic. We use a lot of brands within our business. We understand that machines go wrong, especially here at Cut Crew. We put them through their paces. Apart from maybe service items like belts, we've had no issues. It was the same with the Series 2. If something does fail, the service and parts network in the UK is fantastic. No underlying issues with the machine and everything's easy to fix. It handles the longer grass really well. Just the versatility of being able to turn up at a site that you might not have cut before and another contractor might not have been there for a while and get that down to a fine finish. Yeah, the versatility is unreal and it handles it just as well as a flail, I would say. So yeah, very well. Quality of cut compared to the double roller is exactly the same. I think both machines produce one of the best qualities you can get out of a mower of that size. We've tried both. We've tried the double roller 7 metre and the single roller. The thing that sets the single roller apart is for that longer stuff. So the after sales with Trimax has always been exemplary. As I've mentioned, we've had machines go down in the past, like 10, 15-year-old machines, and we've been back up and running in 2-3 hours. Trimax can't help. One of their dedicated service centres or dealers have always helped us. They've always gone out their way to help us get back on the road and continue earning revenue. So that's predominantly why we stay with Trimax. Not only they've got fantastic machines, but we're looked after. I absolutely would recommend the single roller, and the reason I would do that is there's no limitations. With the double roller that we still own, we might get a call during the day that there's an emergency job where the grass is 100 mil for a council field or whatnot, and it means that, you know, we might have to go there with a pedestrian mower or whatnot. We don't need to do that with this machine. I can turn up, adjust it on site, and know that it's good to go. So the versatility that it offers you, or manage the areas on your facility, are second to none.